alligator, snappy and sly. B is for bear with a twinkle in his eye. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog with dancing feet. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for frog, jumping off the ground. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. H is for hippo, snorting loud. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, hopping fast. L is for lion, leader of the grass. M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for newt, who's quiet and shy. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, a waddling delight. Q is for quail, tiny and neat. R is for rabbit, quick on his feet. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger with a powerful cry. U is for uriel with curly horns. V is for vulture, circling in storms. W is for whale, singing so deep. X is for xerus, in deserts they sleep. Y is for yak, woolly and strong. Z is for zebra, who trots along.
Red and round. B is for banana, yellow and sound. C is for cherry, juicy and sweet. D is for date, a desert treat. E is for elderberry, purple and small. F is for fig, soft like a ball. G is for grapes, green or blue. H is for honeydew, sweet through and through. I is for Indian fig, spiky delight. J is for jackfruit, big and bright. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. L is for lemon, sour and clean. M is for mango, summer's best. N is for nectarine, better than the rest. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pineapple with a spiky crown. Q is for quince, golden and rare. R is for raspberry with fuzzy hair. S is for strawberry, red with dots. T is for tomato, we like it lots. Vanilla bean and ice cream today. W is for watermelon.